Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I've been plugging away at her again a little bit off camera. So far I got the fenders back on both sides. I got this lower thing back on, whatever it's called. And then the behind the grill support that holds the grill on is back on. So I'm gonna put the headlights around and stuff on before I do too much more back here, because on these trucks, the way the headlight surrounds with the single lights click in, they bolt in right down here, and with all the other stuff behind the rad support there bolted in, it makes it a little difficult. So it's a lot easier like this right now, so I'm going to bolt it back together and we'll just pluck away at her, and hopefully by the end of this video we're taking this thing for a test drive, and maybe we'll see if it burns some tires. Maybe we won't. We'll have to see. You have to wait and find out. Alright, let's get to her. Welcome to Schwartz's YouTube channel. I ain't all the way crazy, but I'm crazy enough. Alrighty guys, so the wind is a little bit outside here. It's been windy quite a bit here lately. I got it outside, so it does move under its own power now. I'm going to fix up the front bumper I'm putting on it, plus paint the rear bumper that I'm putting on it. And then we're gonna swing over where the hood is sitting and throw the hood on it. And then we're going to take it for a drive. I'll videotape that so you guys can actually see how it runs and everything. So, here we go. Alrighty guys, so this is the bumpers I'm putting on the truck. You might recognize that one from the video called Full Send Takedown when I built it for Baby. It did have another bar that went up and down above the top one. I had a chain wrapped around it when I was pushing Pepper around, and I left the truck hooked up, and then I went to go use the truck around the yard for something else, and I completely and twisted it. So we went like this. I cut the top off and I went like that. But now I gotta fix this corner here, because once again I was pushing Pepper around and I pushed this in way further than what it was. So when I pulled it back straight again, I ended up ripping it. So I gotta re-weld it, and then we're going to put some paint on it. And I might put some end caps on it, but I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see how it looks on the truck. I might have another idea yet for the end. We're just gonna go with the flow here for a minute, and yeah, here we go. Alrighty guys, got them all painted up. That bumper there I made quite a few years ago for the Baby project, back when I originally first got her. Decided to change things up, and I guess a spoiler alert, if I'm taking the bumper off Baby, that means I'm making a new front bumper for her. This one was made for the OBS. I can't remember quite the name of that one, but it was made for that. body style rather than the bullnose I put on. So I'm gonna change it up on Baby and make a new bumper. So follow that up if you want, and you'll see where I go with that truck too. There'll be a video probably sometime in the near future. I have another video to show you guys here shortly of another build coming soon to the channel. Alright guys, so we're on our drive. So far, good oil pressure. It's not overheating, but she hesitates when you roll into the throttle. She likes the wide open. I gotta figure that one out, but either timing or fuel. I'm gonna try with a simple with the fuel filter first. But we're gonna go to my grandparents, so catch you guys later. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna add this into the end of this video for the fact of the matter that I haven't uploaded this one yet, and this is why I've been working on all of this. The more I pulled apart, the more I found wrong with the truck. So now it's got new ball joints. I'm working on the bearings on this side. I've already got done the other side, so I'll take you over to the other side and I'll just kind of point out what I've done. It's a lot. Okay, so as you can see, I got it all back together. So this is the only part that I ended up reusing off one of the other trucks, because they were worn. You can just see the W. They're worn hubs, so I went with those. All the brand new bearings inside here. As you can see, brand new U-joint there. Brand new one there. Not U-joint, ball joint. And brand new U-joints in the axle. So the only area left to replace on the front end is the brake pads, and I'm tired of running to the parts store for parts, so putting it together. I'm going camping this weekend. It's October, Thanksgiving weekend for us Canadians here, so